Hello and welcome to the video. In this video we solve exercise number 3-11. In exercise 3-9 the part of processing of parts is now being inspected and it will take 85% chance of pass the inspection station or 15% chance of fail the processing station. If the part is failed then it must be sent back to the processing station and the rest of the values will remain same. Okay, so let's move to the arena screen, and in this exercise you can see the part three type of parts are coming to the system, then processing would be done, and after the processing now inspection module is added and then part leave the system. So there is nothing changed in this create module, exactly the same field values that was in exercise 3-10, same in this second type of create module, and in the third type of create module here red part arrive, here green part arrive, and here blue parts are coming to the system. And all three type of parts after creating or entering to the system move to the drilling center, and there is only one drill press and there is nothing changed in its delay type. And after that you need to add just decide module or name it as pass inspection, and there is 85% chance the parts leave the system and the rest 15% chance the part move back to the system for the drilling center queue. And there is again nothing change in the queue length chart and the number busy chart. You can see the expression and queue for the number uh, in queue and NR that is showing the drill press or the number busy value. Okay, then move to run setup, and here made 480 replication in minutes, and entity here entity type is picture.blue ball, picture.green ball, and picture.red ball. Alright, so let's run the simulation. So parts are coming to the system, processing or inspection, and after the inspection parts leave the system and some of the parts move back to the system. Okay, so click this yes button and here you can see the report. Okay, so now let's compare the result of exercise 3-11 to exercise 3-9, and you can see the average time in queue in exercise 3-9 is 3.01, but in this case is 8.15, and there is a drastic change in these stat values. But this is all just a sample of size 1, and any statistical valid conclusion would require more runs and an appropriate analysis to make some decisions. So this concludes our exercise 3-11. Thank you.